I have two review samples left from 2016, and I'm determined to knock both of those reviews out this week so I can move on to 2017's review samples. This is the first product. This is a Qicent 4-port USB card charger, currently on Amazon for $10. The link will be down in the description if you guys want to check this thing out. In today's video, I'll be taking this thing out of the box and, of course, running some tests on it using some of my USB testing hardware. I'm going to break out some dummy resistors. We're going to make sure we can plug in 4 devices simultaneously, and then I'm also going to break out my USB multimeter to make sure it's providing its advertised output. Now, this is advertised to provide up to 40 watts of continuous power overall. That means 2 amps per USB port. And I think that's really about it as far as specifications are concerned on the Amazon page. It is listed as being aluminum, so that should be interesting. It sounds like it should be a pretty nice car charger, but, you know, who knows? So let's go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. I'm not going to stay on the unboxing too long because there shouldn't be too much in here. This is the black version of the car charger. As you can see, wrapped up in plastic wrap right here. I might have to make a cut because it's kind of hard to get this off. There we go. And is anything else in the box? So we have, what else is in here? It looks like we have a warranty card and then a user manual to go along with the product. Neither of those we should need, hopefully. So I'm going to push all of that stuff off to the side, and you guys can get a better look at the card charger itself. And first impressions aren't too bad. This feels like a pretty sturdy little card charger. Don't have any issues with quality at the moment. This actually feels really, really strong. The entire thing is not aluminum, actually. So this section right here feels like anodized aluminum, but this section, the top section, is actually manufactured out of plastic. You can see our 4 USB ports right here, Qicent logo, and of course the section that actually plugs into the 12-volt socket within the car. Now, before I move out to my car for load testing, there is one thing I need to check, and that is the spacing between each USB port. There needs to be enough space to allow me to plug in 4 devices simultaneously. So I have 4 USB cables right here, and I just need to make sure that I can easily plug them in all at the same time. So that's 3. And that's 4, so no problem there. This is actually properly engineered so you can actually use all 4 USB ports at once. I'm in my Prius right now, which means filming from this point is probably going to be pretty awkward. Anyway, using this is very, very straightforward. All you're going to do is plug it into the 12-volt socket in your car. A green LED indication light is going to come on, letting you know that everything is working all fine and dandy with the card charger. And from this point, I can just plug in my USB device, which in this case would be my Samsung Galaxy S4, and you can see that it is now charging. If once again, recording's very strange right here, but you can see the charging indication meter is on. If it would get in focus there we go. So we are charging my Samsung Galaxy S4 using the car charger. As you guys can see, I have 4 USB resistor dummy loads hooked up to the supply right now. Each of these is designed to pull 2 amps at 5 volts, but in reality they pull around 1.7 amps at 5 volts. And along with those USB resistor dummy loads, I also have a USB multimeter hooked up to the device as well. So I'm going to plug this in now and push it to its full load. We are pulling 1.7 amps at approximately 4.5 volts right now, so overall I think that's around 34 watts. So this thing is providing, you know, pretty much what it is designed, or what it is advertised to output. Once again, we do have some limitations with these USB resistor dummy loads. It's been about 5 minutes since I shot the last clip, and I'm going to take some temperatures now. I can't let this run for too long because the resistor dummy loads get very, very hot to the point where they will actually start melting down. So I can't let it run for too long, but if I grab some temperatures around the device, you can see that, yeah, on average, we're sitting at about 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 29 degrees Celsius at full load after 5 minutes of runtime. Let me see if I can get a point that's any hotter. No, that point's 19 degrees Celsius, 67 degrees Fahrenheit. And for reference, it's currently about 55 degrees in here right now. I have not turned on the heat. So yeah, a bit chilly in here, but those temps are a-okay. So that's going to be about it for this little overview. It was a quick one. There's not too much to talk about. After all, this is just a basic run-of-the-mill card charger. But if you're looking for something that's just going to get the job done, has 4 ports, and can provide nearly 40 watts of total power, then check this one out. That's 2 amps per USB port. Doesn't get too hot, and quality overall isn't too bad for a $10 USB card charger. Once again, if you want to check this thing out, the link will be down in the description. And they also sell a silver variant. So if you're not a big fan of black, they also have some different color options for you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can go ahead and drop a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. If you didn't like this video, please tell me why. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to support me, you can use my Amazon or eBay affiliate links, both of which will be down in the description as well. And you can also support me by checking out my Patreon page. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, okay, so don't forget to check out the December giveaway that closes in 2 days, I think, and there's also some more bonus content up on the website. All that stuff will be down in the description. Lots of stuff in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next installment of A Computers and Technology.